Okay, hopefully a short little video. So I've been tasked with this little radiator here, so just sort of give you an idea on the size. This is an iPhone 14 Pro, not the XL, so pretty small little radiator, and I've been tasked with removing this spout here and relocating it onto the top of the end tank here, so pretty parallel with this side here. So let's crack on and get it done. Okay, there we go, job complete. We have cut the spout off, we have capped it, we have drilled a new hole, and we have relocated the spout, ready to go back into the box for the customer to pick up later this afternoon. So my big question is to you, the viewer watching this video, is how much should I charge for this job? Total time is probably half an hour. With all the prep work and the cleaning work, especially with aluminium and especially using cutting wheels. So how much should I charge the customer? Leave your comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.